Why does it look like most videos on YouTube on how to make money online are not legit? I know you might have come across a lot of creators videos on YouTube that teaches ways to make money, that teaches strategies to make money, but when you start implementing them, it looks as if you are wasting your precious time because nothing seems to work. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you a hidden secret that no creator is going to tell you when it comes to making online. This is the secret that we use to make money online. On a normal note, you are supposed to pay for this knowledge that I am about to share with you, but here I am giving it out for free. So make sure you don't miss any part of this video because this is not the type of video you get always. So if you know you're interested in this video, go to the comment section and type interested in the comment section. Yeah, go to the comment section and type interested in the comment section so that I will know those of you that are following. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Wise and you are welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach about online growth and money making tips. So if you love what to do on the channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I leave video just like this, you'll be the first to get notified. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. After spending over 3 years in the online space and more than 2 years as a YouTube content creator, I have watched countless videos from creators claiming to teach people how to make money online. And here's the truth, I've made a lot of money online, but not in the way most creators make it look. If you think that just watching all those online videos that teaches how to make money online with automatically start putting money in your pocket, then you are missing the bigger picture. Because here is reality, making money online fall into 3 categories. Once you understand this, you will know which one to focus on and which one is actually profitable. In this video, I'll be revealing to you the 3 categories when it comes to making money online, and I'll also be giving you advice on which one to go into. Yeah, I will be telling you the advantage and disadvantage of this category. So make sure you watch the video to the end, and if you are still following me to this stage, go to the comment section and type "I'm with you." Yeah, go to the comment section and type "I'm with you" in the comment section. Yeah, go there and write it down before we start these 3 categories. The first category is the platform-based income, or let me call it the quick money websites. Yes, these are the quick money websites, and this is the category that most people love going into. Yeah, they love going into it because they see it as, oh, this one is a quick money stuff. Yeah, I can just go into it and make money, but they don't know the hidden secrets about this. These are platforms that promise you quick money just by doing simple tasks. These are platforms that tell you, okay, once you listen to this music, you will pay this. Once you do this survey, you'll be paid this. They will tell you, okay, once you follow this account, you will be paid this amount. Once you watch ads, watch videos, you will be paid. Yes, these are the kind of platform that fall into this category, the platform-based category. And it sounds very easy, right? But here is the catch. Not all of these platforms are legit. Most of them are outright scam, and even the legitimate ones pays very little that is not even worth your time. It's just as if that the data that you are using for those websites, that is what you are getting back, and most times you might not be able to withdraw your money from those platforms. Why sometimes you might make a few dollars, maybe $2, $3 from this platform, but this is not the real ways that we are making money online. Yeah, this is not the way. We are not making money online from watching videos. No, yeah, sometimes we get money from there, but that is not the real ways we get money online. We actually know, okay, this is what people like, so we are giving it to you people. So yeah, we just, okay, maybe sometimes we are just getting, okay, just use that one to buy the charge card, but that's not the real ways that we are making money online. See, that is the first category, the platform-based category. That is what most people like because it's easy. But if you want to make real money online, this is not where we are getting it from. This is just like the tips of the iceberg. You are just, when it comes to making money online, you are just getting the tip, small of it. This is not the real way. This is not the hidden secret that we are using to make money online. If you need to make money online, you need to just forget everything about all this and think deeper. Yes, your brain has to be focused deeper on what is going, and that is where we are going. I'm revealing it to you. Instead of you relying on platform and small tasks to make money, just as in category 1, in this category 2, you build an audience and you use those audience, you monetize the attention you are getting from those audience. And this is where the money is right now. And here is how it look. You see all these YouTube content creator, just like me, we create content because we know, oh, people actually enjoys our content, people are actually engaging with us. We have the audience, so we use that audience to get monetized. Now I'm going to be explaining to you as it goes on. You see YouTube creators, Facebook creators, Twitch creators. You see people like Kataife that do Twitch streaming, live streaming and stuff. We are making a lot of money from it. This is the way to make money online. This is one of the legit secret way we make money online. This is my channel, my YouTube channel, and let me tell you, this channel is not yet monetized. I know it might shock you that this channel is not yet monetized, but the truth is I've made a lot of money from this channel. Even as it's not yet monetized, I've made a lot of money from it. How? I do get brand promotion. I do promote my own courses. I've promoted a lot of my own personal courses on here, and my audience have bought it, and I'm making money from it. So instead of me waiting, okay, let me go and be doing survey for people, it's not going to work on it. Just for me to get one brand deal, I the brand to promote their product, and I'm getting money, I'm getting paid for it. But let me be honest, this is the reason that most people will not go into this one. Why? Because it's not instant. It's not instant. This is my second year of being a YouTube content creator. I didn't just wake up one day and boom, I already have over 2K subscribers. No, I've started 2 years ago. So most people does not have the patience to go into it, does not have the patience to wait. So that most people, especially beginner, are looking for something very quick here. They want to make money very quick, and that is not the real way to go into it. For you to really make money from online, you need time, consistency, and effort. Those 3 things. You need to put effort, you need to be consistent, and you need to put your time, to sacrifice your time. And most people does not have these 3 things. That is why they quit before they even start. You see someone that starts YouTube channel today, and before you know, in next month at the end, they have already forgotten the channel. So this is not the way to go about it. But let me give you this advice. If you're able to stick to content creator, whatever platform you are, let me say Facebook or Instagram, TikTok or YouTube, whatever platform you decide to go into, if you can be consistent on it, let me tell you, in the next 2 years, I'm not here to tell you, the next 2 months, 3 months, I'm not there for those stuff. Let me be honest with you. In the next 2 years, you are going to start getting results. Because if I tell you how much I've made from this my channel, even without being monetized yet, you will be shocked. Just imagine I've given up when I started. Let me say 2 months after I started, I gave up. I won't be where I am right now. I won't be enjoying the benefits that I'm enjoying right now. If you are able to stay consistent, the benefits you are going to enjoy from it is going to be very massive. One, recognition. You are going to be known by a lot of people. You are going to be known about you have this online recognition. You'll be popular online. Trust, people will trust you, and the money you are going to be getting it. So if you are still with me, before I go into the category 3, category 3 is still something that I still do. Before I go into category 3, go to the comment section and type money making secret. Before I will go into the category 3. Category 3 is still something that I still do, and it's making me a lot of money. So before I go into it, go to the comment section and type money making secret. Category 3, when it comes to making money online, 10 category in making money online is a skill-based income, and this is where you get paid for what you can do. For example, you have skills like graphic design, video editing, website building, copywriting, social media management. This is where you start getting paid for it. Right now, I'm a graphic designer and also a social media manager. Last month, I started my social media management career, and I've received my first month payment as a social media manager. So for you to make money under this category, you need to have a skill. That is it. You don't just wake up and make money in this category. But if you can have a skill, learn a skill, you will make money a lot of money in this category. Yes, when I made a lot of money. There was something there was a video I made some time ago, and someone came through that video. Someone came to my WhatsApp and was asking, the person said something that vexed me like a lot. It vexed me, but in my next video, I'll be making a video about that and be correcting some stuff. Yeah, there are some things that people think when it comes to making money online that is not right. I'll be correcting it. If it invest me, I have to block the person. Yeah, I have to block the person. So if you want to make sure you don't miss the video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that video, because I saw that this person is not really ready for anything. Yeah, it's all what he wants. It's just quick money. Yeah, I started my graphic design. I started learning graphic design over 3 years ago. 3 years, though I paused on the way. Then later start. Let me say 3 years. Yeah, that I started learning graphic design, and it's now that I really enjoy what I started 3 years ago. Social media manager that I started learning it. Let me say more than a year ago. Yeah, more than a year ago, and it's now that it's so when it comes to making money online. You see, you need skill. It's not that like just if you want to really make money online, you need skill. Right now, when I see people not making money online, like it's something that is really like when I see people rushing after getting money quick, all this get rich quick scheme, it's something that really pays me. I don't know what to say, but I'll be ending the video here so that the video will not be too long. If you have any question at all, go to the comment section, drop your comments in the comment section. I'll be ready to give you an answer. My name is Wise. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something from the video. Go to the comment section and let me know what you learned in this video. I will see you in my next video, and thanks for watching.